y'all, welcome to Girls Like You. My name is Mikkel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my not so everyday makeup routine. Today I got a couple errands to run, not really a whole lot. This is not something that I would even typically wear makeup for, but for the sake of the video I'm going to do it today just so y'all can see what mine would look like whenever I do my makeup. So if you're interested in seeing how I go from this to this, then be sure to keep watching. So I know y'all can see these eyebrows. They are really bushy. I haven't had them done in a month, and it'll probably be another month before I get them done because my girl don't live here no more. But whatever, we gotta make do with what we got. So I'm gonna do my brows off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and then I'll do the rest of my makeup for you guys. So stay tuned. Alright y'all, I'm back. I did my brows. I don't think they look that bad, but these are honestly, I think, a little dark for me. I would prefer that they be a little bit lighter, but I got a lot of hairs and maybe I should just learn how to conceal those extra hairs a little bit better, but whatever. I'm also using a new brow pencil, so that might be part of the reason why they're coming out a little darker. I normally use my NYX brow pencil and I think the color Espresso, but this time I am using the Benefit brow pencil. The color, it says 6 is the color. I don't know, but this is what I'm using this time. And I feel like it's a little bit creamier than my NYX pencil that I would normally use. And I still use the NYX and like the little rollout thing too, like the Benefit, but whatever. These are my brows. I used my NARS concealer for my highlight under my eye. I like my brows to look natural, so I don't use like a super bright concealer. And then I used my Makeup Forever for the top part of my eyebrows, and this is what we got. So I'll start by priming my face. I'm going to use this Master Prime by Maybelline. Did y'all see that? Yeah, I'm using my Master Prime by Maybelline to prime my face. And I didn't used to think this step was like necessary. I used to do it, but I always thought it was pointless. I actually watched a video recently that said that the primer is not really supposed to be rubbed into your face like a moisturizer. It's supposed to kind of like sit on top, so you rub it in just enough to where like it covers your face, but it's not like, I guess, being absorbed in the skin or whatever. Apparently when you do it that way, it don't like block your pores. That sounds bad, but it don't like block your pores how it's supposed to, so that your makeup kind of like goes on and looks seamless. Is that the right word? I don't know. But yeah, so since I saw that, I kind of try to rub it in a little bit more gently now. I don't go too crazy. I used to like really get in there with it. I also only prime my cheeks and around my chin and my nose. My pores are bigger around this area. I don't really notice them anywhere else, so I don't really put primer on my forehead. I also don't know if that's a step that's necessary. Are your pores only like on your cheek areas anyway? I don't know. Somebody let me know. So that's done. As y'all can see, I got a couple areas of like hyperpigmentation here. So I'm gonna conceal those with my Makeup Forever again. This one is literally like almost the same color as my skin. It's like the closest concealer I've found to my actual skin, and I love it. So and I got a couple moles on my face. I don't know if people conceal their moles. I normally do if I do this part. This is actually extra. I don't normally conceal my dark spots. I feel like my foundation does a pretty good job of that, so I'm being a little extra. But whatever. So that's that. I'm gonna take the brush that I use is this Morphe M173 brush. It's what I use to like buff out my eyebrows. I'm gonna use that just to like blend that into those blemishes. Not too crazy, just so it's not literally sitting right on top. Y'all, I am in no way a makeup artist. It's just what I've learned works for me. I might even do some extra stuff in this video, honestly, because I bought this Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I've used it a couple times. The first couple times it's kind of practice. I didn't know what I was doing, but after this last time, I think I like it. So now I've primed, I've put the concealer over my dark spots. I'm about to go ahead and go in with my Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation, and I have the color Gabon, if I'm saying it right, 300. I have two different foundations. This is like my summer foundation for whenever I have a tan, and then I use NARS for my other foundation. That's more like my winter color. I just take this and put it on my finger and I like blot around. I try not to use a lot, but honestly, y'all, I think this is a lot. If you don't wear makeup like that and you got flawless skin, tell me if you think this is a lot, because, or if you wear makeup every day, let me know. Is this a lot? Is this, because this is all the foundation I'm going to put on. I'm going to put on a little bit of concealer and a little bit, but y'all will see. I have two different blender brushes. There's one that I use to blend in my foundation and my concealer, and then there's another one that I use, or that I've recently started using, just to do the loose powder. So I'm gonna go ahead, take one of my little beauty sponges. I don't know if this is actually a true beauty blender or not, but I call them all beauty blenders. They sponges. I don't know which brand this is. I actually think this is the Eco brand though, honestly. But I'm gonna go ahead and I take my Maria Badescu. I think y'all, I can't tell if this is focusing or not because I don't even have on my contacts, so it's still blurry back here for me. I'm gonna wet my sponge a little bit, then go ahead and blend that out. So I be blending like crazy because I be nervous. I don't be wanting my face to be white. I don't be wanting my face to be like white and my neck be brown, and or my face be orange, because I've tried a couple of different concealers lately that have been a little bit too orange for me. Like I actually returned them or exchanged them for different colors. So this is one of those steps that I feel like is extra for me because I don't really know how to contour, so I be like, is it even worth it to highlight certain areas? I'm probably actually going to try to contour like my nose, and that's it. Oh, and then my cheek a little bit maybe. But this is, I hope this is beginner friendly because I feel like I'm a beginner. I don't be practicing every day, so every time I wear my makeup it's like I'm starting over. So I'm gonna take that same NARS concealer and I put it down my nose. I use my same foundation brush to blend my concealer, or foundation beauty sponge. Alright, so this is where I use this Laura Mercier, and I'm using the color medium deep because, like I said, I don't really know how to highlight, so I'm not trying to do too much with that. This is another one of those extra steps that I wouldn't typically do, but I'm doing it today because I wanted to try it. I'm using a beauty blender thing again. trying to tap off the excess, but yeah, I don't know. Alright, this is where we are. Y'all, I seriously don't know what I'm doing. I just be doing stuff and hoping that it comes out right. So now I don't know if I'm supposed to like dab this in some more or if I'm supposed to just brush it off. But I think I'm just gonna brush it off, so we're gonna see. Alright, this is where I try to contour, knowing I don't know how to contour. I'm just using this Maybelline Fit Me in the color 360. This one's really old. It's like the firm powder, and I actually hardly use it, but I heard that powders are a little bit more subtle to contour with if you don't want something bold. So this is what I use. It was, when I bought it, I think it was actually too dark for my face, slightly too dark, so I don't ever use it. So I decided to use it to contour with. So y'all might not even notice. Last time I did it, I thought it looked good though. I'm pretty sure I got the wrong brush to do it with, but hey, you gotta work what you got. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my eyeliner. This is just any little hair store eyeliner. I'm just about done. I'm about to put on my mascara. This is the Urban Decay Perversion. I buy all my makeup in like the little travel sizes because I be new to them. So can y'all see that? Okay. That's honestly about to be it for the whole face. Now I'm gonna line my lips with my NYX lip liner in Espresso. So this is my Fenty Beauty Sheer Lip Shine. I'm gonna put on the color Cookies and Cocoa. Yeah. Alright, I'll be back. Y'all, I almost forgot to put my highlighter on. I don't wear a whole lot of that either, but I need to have on a little sun today. I think that was the whole point of concealing, right? Don't you put the concealer on so that you can put the highlighter on afterwards? What's wrong with me? Y'all, I just keep on forgetting stuff. Okay. I forgot I needed to spray this setting stuff. This is the Urban Decay All-Nighter. I'm gonna let that settle. I'm gonna change. Be right back. Alright y'all, this is the final look. This is my not so everyday makeup routine. If you like this look, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. And at this point, you know what you gotta do. Hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell so that you're notified every time I post. And if you want to see more content like this or you have content suggestions, be sure to comment them below. Anyways, I'm about to be out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.